Alright guys, welcome back to my video. Yes, we'll be doing a reaction video. Ta kan cái jingrwai bam ta bật mai. Bam đây bật mai. Cái đây cả khối si buồn xoan ngày ngồi play cũng chưa ngày EDP đã cái chuyện trong try. Thank you for the support. Last video I got 30k something. Thank you so much. And yes, today we'll be doing a reaction video. In the reaction, a video, kata ka jingrwai rap song, my favorite, ranTheLigh, Witchcraft Part 5. Let's go without any delay. Nampan slam, ini sedang besar wood. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. It's gonna be fun. Witchcraft, are you ready, guys? Are you ready, chat? Are you ready, chat? Are you ready, champ? Are you ready? Where's me? Okay, let's start the video. Guys, be ready. It's gonna be fun, bro. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. GVstudio. Ooh, who's this? GVstudio present a music video. Oh, Isaiah Ruben also in the chat, bro. Isaiah Ruben, shout out. Hey, Isaiah Ruben in the chat, bro. You gotta check out Isaiah Ruben. Chills.
And that's where it all start. We moving as if we could buy repentance.
Marsen sedang bro lah I bars. Right from the beginning. We moving as we could buy repentance from Walmart. Well, bro.
From Walmart. Well, actually, I would rather shop at Target, but it seemed like our kids are the target. And I'm not even here for all the argue when I'm stating the bargaining of the devil. Stay vigilant, be careful. New age spirituality is a witch's craft, and curiosity is actually how you get attached. Intelligence is artificial now, but don't remind me. And everybody fake, so Barbie didn't surprise.
And everybody fake, so Barbie doesn't surprise me. This is the truth. Today's generation. Oh man, it's hot in here.
Me even got all the men in deception trying to be kin, following all the trends that's leading us into sin.
Man, did you see? This guy is very controversial, but he's saying the truth. Boom. ranTheLigh, bro.
When I like the lens, these women really be men. The devil is not a
what did he said?
Oh, but don't remind me. And everybody fake, so Barbie didn't surprise me. Even got all the men in deception trying to be kin, following all the trends that's leading us into sins. When I look beneath the lens, these women really be men.
When I look beneath the land, when I look beneath the land, this women really be men. Wow, bro, decent, man. I don't know what to say. Bro, ngangit piece thua. This triggers a lot. Trigger a lot.
And the devil is not a friend, yet we still making amends. Celebrities know about it, they be lying, staying silent. Sex trafficking, they hiding all them kids on that island. That's elite secret. We God's children, it's hard to keep secrets. We go follow that light like we some heat seekers. Everything might change if you go read Ephesians. They said the Bible is fake, so they don't need Jesus. Imagine I quit God and go worship Lucifer. Imagine I skip God and go thank the universe. Imagine thinking a crystal could break all of my chains, or bad things happen.
Whoa, what's that? What's that, bro? Bro, Ani, real, bro. This is so much. This is so much to ask. This is so much. Bro, ranTheLigh. You know, I really enjoy rap music because, especially this guy, he really dropping the fact, the truth. Some people might hate it, but yes, this guy is really. Man.
But I get mad at my sage. Witchcraft at its finest, but they'll tell you it's science. Everybody lying, Satan got 1 million clients. Palm readers and fortune tellers been.
Oh, palm reader and fortune tellers been overbooking. Wow, man. Ginong petkti and ginong itu kana or been overbooking. Wow, man. You don't really need palm reader. Oh no, you don't really need palm reader, bro. You just need Jesus. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's what ranTheLigh said, bro. If you see this, you're on fire, dude. You're on fire. You are on fire, bro. Many might hate you, but bro, this is fire, man.
Overbooking, a lot of rookies getting their fortunes out of cookies. Zodiac compatibility, picking your friends, and you a Leo, but don't even know who that is. When you conform, you won't ever go up a level. And stop swearing to God, all of that come from the devil. We exposing the witchcraft and the sorcery. If I don't speak it openly, my silence starts to torture me.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not lucky, I don't glorify no clover leaf.
Oh. What?
And stop swearing to God, all of that come from the devil. We exposing the witchcraft and the sorcery. If I don't speak it openly, my silence starts to torture me. I'm not lucky, I don't glorify no clover.
I'm not lucky, I don't glorify no clover leaf. I don't glorify no clover leaf. I glorify the Jesus, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. Oh man, this guy. Bro, you just dropped the best song, man. Have you ever listened to Witchcraft Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6 is released? Go watch it out, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Your mind will be... I really like it.
Belief, I glorify the holy things cause that's how it's supposed to be. But all of us feel like we got the answer. We be picking religion like it's a raffle. If I offend a religion, then I'll get canceled. But whenever they be mocking Jesus, all we hear is laughter.
Yeah,
make it
man,
make sense. I got living water, what is alkaline? If God is love, why we
If God's love, why we overhyping Valentine's?
hyping Val?
Oh man, bro, woo. Man.
Valentine's, pagan, feeding the energy that we take from Satan. This too hot for the swine, feel like I'm making bacon. If you don't get it, Matthew 7:6 might help you taste it. Illuminati got them selling out to say they made it. Imagine how my life would look if I became a Mason. I might just make a part 6 so I can illustrate it.
Make it, bro. Part 6 is there, you can watch it out. You can watch out, I will do. Oh. Next time, I will do part 6. Or maybe you can comment down the song below. This one really trigger. I don't know. Those who get triggered by this song, man, I don't know. I'm sorry, but this is the truth. I really love you all. Thank you for the support and ranTheLigh. Thank you for the song, bro. Really open up the minds. Really open up the spiritual eyes. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much, man. Love from Northeast Meghalaya. God bless you and thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all with the love of Christ. Keep supporting, keep subscribing. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Comment down which songs I'll do next. So comment down. Bye bye. God bless you.